welcome to my channel, The Makeup Phase. So today we're going to be doing a DIY cranberry and honey toner. So we've all learned that there's so many great benefits to cranberries, and it is actually a great addition to your beauty. So if you want to find out more, stick around.
Okay, so what you need. First, cranberry juice, the actual juice, not the stuff that you normally buy in stores with all the sugar and other juices in it. And next, we need raw honey. And then finally, a bowl and spoon to mix with. Okay, so starting with the cranberry juice, add it a little bit into the bowl. I would say probably like a teaspoon or tablespoon, depending, not a lot. Again, this is just a toner, not a mask. Next, we're going to grab the honey. We're going to just squeeze that in there until I feel like there's sufficient amount. So I would say, again, probably a teaspoon at a time, and then make sure to mix it all. So we want to thicken up the actual liquid just a little bit, but not too much. Doesn't need to be a paste. And just mix, and add as needed the honey. Okay, so now it's time to apply our mixture. So using cotton swabs, I'm just going to dip that into the bowl and just get it nice and soaked before I begin to apply it to my face.
Okay, so we have the toner on, and I'm just going to leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it off. And we're done. Put on your moisturizer and you're good to go. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Always subscribe and always follow me on The Makeup Phase, as well as connect with me on LinkedIn. All of these details will be down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Bye, my loves.